Hey guys, welcome to Continuously Building. This week we're going to add shadows to our ARKit model of an armchair, and it's going to end up looking like this. This simple effect makes the object look more anchored to the ground, but it was surprisingly tricky to make it look right. So I have an armchair model waiting for us ready to go over here. We just need to add an ambient light and a directional light. The diffuse texture's already been set, so let's just add that nice mocha color to our legs again like we had last time. The next thing we want to do is point our light coming down on the armchair at the correct angle. I've tried pointing it straight down before, but there ends up being a lot of artifacting and weirdness with this particular model. I've experimented with it a little bit and found that for this particular model, about negative 55 degrees seems to be the sweet spot. Now let's add our plane to the scene. We're going to position it directly under the chair at 0, 0, 0 and rotate it negative 90 degrees and scale it to 2x its original size. Now you might notice something odd here. There's a chair, a light, and a plane, yet there's no shadow on the plane. We just need to go to the Directional Lights Attribute Inspector and under Shadow, check the Cast Shadows box. Select Deferred Mode, and under Shadow Quality, set Sample Count to 10 and set Casters to Backface only. The only other thing we need to address is how to get rid of this white plane around the shadow. Let's select the plane and under the Transparency settings, let's uncheck Red, Green, Blue, and Alpha. Now our shadow remains, but the rest of the plane is transparent. Awesome! Now let's run it. And take a look at our armchair with nice dynamic shadows. Hope you learned something in this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.